So we are here in New York. Upper Manhattan, uptown bolte hain. What happens if you touch the testicles of the bull? Hello everyone, welcome to New York. So we are here in New York, and first thing we gotta do is to come to the Times Square. So first thing in the morning we have come to the Times Square, and it's still so crowded. It's like a Saturday morning. It's so packed. You can hardly find like a place to click picture, to admire the place, or maybe to sit down, and we have taken some pictures and everything. And before this we have had our breakfast at some place. So we wanted to try like Shella French toast, something like that, which is really typical of New York. And also like the bagels, like Locke's Bagels, we tried. It was good. Now we are here in Times Square, and now we are going to be moving to downtown. Right now we are in Midtown or Uptown? Times Square. And now we are going to the downtown, and we're going to go to World Trade Center and some places nearby, or maybe Statue of Liberty. Let's go. We are in Midtown. We just looked like the middle part of the Manhattan is called Midtown. The top, the up part, like which is close to the Central Park, is called Uptown, and then Uptown bolte Upper Manhattan, uptown bolte You got to search. It's called Uptown, Midtown, Downtown. That's the normal terminology. मैंने पढ़ा है.
यहाँ Upper West Side लिखा हुआ है, फिर
Upper Manhattan, Lower Manhattan, and then what do you say? Midtown.
और क्या?
चिप्स मांग रहा है.
So now from Times Square we have come to World Trade Center Memorial, as well as One World Trade Center building. Now we are going to the financial district, and there is a bull that doesn't want to see. Then why we are going to see that bull?
To touch its testicles.
Ew. What happens if you touch the testicles of the bull?
We'll get some more money.
You'll get some more money. Let's see. We're gonna go and touch the testicles of the bull in the financial district. Yeah, so we roamed around the financial district, and we saw the stock exchange building and all, like some of the places nearby, and then we went to the bull, and you know what happened. So now we have come to the Statue of Liberty, and I've read like there is some free, I think, ferry or something like that. You can go from there and then see the entire, like, because it goes around the Statue of Liberty. But here there is a huge line. I don't know, and that's also like for ticket holders. So we don't have any tickets. So let's figure out how we can see the Statue of Liberty now. So we just came back from the ferry to see the Statue of Liberty, but it was like a free ferry to commute between, I think, a station in Manhattan and then to the Staten Island. And I was thinking like it's just like ferry to show you around the Statue of Liberty, but no, it's for commuting, and it was free. So we went there, but it doesn't go very close to the Statue of Liberty. So tomorrow we are planning to take and book this tour just to go to the Liberty Island and see the Statue of Liberty, because we did see the statue, but it wasn't clear and we were not satisfied. So we went to the island and came back, but tomorrow we're going to do the tour again to see the Statue of Liberty, because if you have come to New York, you should do that thing. And now we're done with it. We might go to one or two places here, and then we are planning to walk the Brooklyn Bridge. We might take the subway from here to Brooklyn side and then walk back to see the skyline of Manhattan while walking the bridge, and then to go to the Central Park. So let's go to Brooklyn Bridge. I feel like all of the views and the pictures that I'm taking are end up looking like same, because it's like there's a road and then a long buildings and then some maps of America. We have just finished our walk to the Brooklyn Bridge, and we came from Manhattan to Brooklyn, and we walked the bridge. Like, we were walking from Statue of Liberty, and we did the walk. We really like this side is we finished the bridge, walking the bridge. Now we are like in the Brooklyn side, and this is the Manhattan side. So We've heard like if you walk from Brooklyn to Manhattan, the Manhattan view is really pretty. But the thing is, it's the time for the sunset, and that's why the Brooklyn side is looking brighter than the Manhattan one. But maybe we are planning like tomorrow during the sunrise, if we want to walk, we can directly come to Brooklyn and then walk to Manhattan side. But this bridge, I think the view of the bridge was really beautiful. It's like one of the best, if not the best bridge I've ever seen. Like we spent a lot of time, like we stopped at the bridge, took some photos, and then enjoyed the view. There was like music playing, there was speakers. It was really nice walk. And also when we were walking, it was the time for the sunset, so there was no harsh sun. Yeah, so when we were walking, there was like no harsh sun and no heat. It was nice weather. It was windy. So we really enjoyed the walk, and now we are going towards the Brooklyn side and to a subway station so that we can take the subway to the Central Park. And now we are going to the Central Park. See you there.